Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rainbow seeds and grow a garden too. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, wait for the Rainbow Moon event. Rainbow seeds only appear during the special event, so keep an eye on the event notification at the top of your screen. And then the second one, as soon as the event starts, run around the map and look for glowing rainbow seeds on the ground. They are available for everyone, so you'll want to grab them as quickly as possible before another player does. And once you've collected a rainbow seed, head back to your garden and plant it. After it finishes growing, you will get a crop with a rainbow mutation, which is usually worth much more than normal crops. And then here are a few tips to get more rainbow seeds guys. Join the game before the Rainbow Moon event starts. Play on smaller or private server if you can, since there's less competition. Stay near common spawn areas so you can reach new seeds quickly. And that's how you can get the rainbow seeds in Grow a Garden too. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Grow a Garden tips. Thanks for watching guys, and good luck farming. Bye.